Don't be scared to negotiate. You're worth more than they're willing to offer you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Sometimes you just have to negotiate your terms. Don't be scared to negotiate to get what you deserve or what you feel like you're earned. Sometimes you have to really put your best foot forward, be confident, speak up and tell people what you deserve. This can be applied to jobs. When you go for an interview where they say the salary is negotiable, that means there's a lower band and a higher band. Do not just take whatever is given at you. Sometimes they undercut you because they feel like most people don't have the confidence to be able to negotiate their terms. You have to negotiate what you feel like your work is worth, what you feel like your time is worth. Give your people the ball figure. Tell people how much you're willing to get paid. If you've got all the skills that they want in that job, if you've got all, if you're willing to put your effort and all your hard work, why should you accept a pay cut because you don't have the confidence to speak up? You'll be surprised at how much people will raise the bar for you if you simply say, no, I feel like this is not enough for me. I can back it up by these skills that I have to offer. I've got this, I've got that, I've done this. This is how far I've come and this is what I feel like I bring to your company. This is how much value I add to your company. So I feel like my skills are worth this much. Just simply saying something like that will give you an upper ground. It will also give you a level hand. Remember, when you're going into a job, you have something to offer and they want what you have to offer. So it's not just about you pleading to have a job. You're also you're coming with your skills, you're coming with your value, you're coming with your knowledge and expertise. So why should you settle for a particular sum? Be able to renegotiate your contracts. Contracts can always be negotiated. Don't just accept a contract because this is what is written. It's not set in stone. Sometimes you have to say, this doesn't work for me, I would prefer that. This works for me, but I'd rather it works the other way. And if people aren't willing to accept your terms, they aren't willing to negotiate with you, then there's no point of putting yourself in that situation. Remember, you are worthy, you're valuable, you have skills to offer, there's a lot going on for you. So don't just settle for what people have to say. You can apply this in relationships as well. Don't take people, if you're not happy with the way things are going, if you know what you want out of a relationship, whether it's marriage, whether it's kids and a family, if you know what you want, you have to tell people right off the bat. You have to tell people exactly what your vision is for that relationship and tell them your terms. So sometimes it may mean that you have to figure out when the best time for you and your partner to get married. But as long as you set out your terms, they set out your terms, you're able to meet in the middle. Don't just settle for what they want. If you're the type of person that's always wanted children and you're now with somebody that doesn't want children, do not settle, because you're going to be unhappy if you've always wanted children. If you've always wanted marriage and you're with a partner that hasn't set out the terms, made it clear whether they want to be married or not. Don't just give up what you want just to fit in, just to be with that person. You have to negotiate your terms. You have to tell people what you want, see whether that aligns with what they want. If it doesn't, then it's not for you. It's as simple as that. Do not put yourself down just to fit other people's goals. You have to choose yourself. You have to choose to be the best version of yourself. There's always an option to renegotiate the terms. Do not settle for what has been presented to you. Obviously, if someone's writing out a contract, they're doing it to their favor. They're doing it to what works for them. They don't really have you in mind. So you have to look out for yourself and make sure that the contract works for both of you. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.